Yes, let's move on. Let's talk about the Ukraine. And wait, what did the public opinion about this one feel? You know, the public respond or the audience? According to the audience, they are not sending Ukraine to the finals. Oof. I was like, yeah, I think the response after what I've seen on the rehearsal and people comments, people are not that impressed with the Ukraine. So let's see. Ziferblat. I mean, oh, look at the lighting thing. Okay. Even though I like the outfit. I mean, just instrumentally, this is beautiful. Yeah, I think I missed the garden a little bit. Oh. Oh. Okay. A moon. I mean, I'm gonna say, I think it is, if you just close your eyes and listen to the song, this is one of the best songs in the semifinal. It's very beautiful, but the staging doesn't help this one. I'm sorry, just watching from like this, yeah, I missed the garden. I mean, I'm gonna say, if they had put everything in the front with the garden and do the same performance as they did in the national selection, that I think that would have been better. This staging didn't help this song. I'm sorry, Ukraine, but I'm gonna say vocally and instrumentally, this is beautiful, but the staging though didn't help. So we shall see what happens, but okay. Many people are saying this should qualify, so. Oh hi, you're still here. I hope you have not forgotten to subscribe. So subscribe here and look for the recommended video over here and end credit now. Bye!